Proceed.
In response to the same, we filed a replying affidavit.
We filed a replying affidavit
dated 30th of last month.
Dated 30th September. You wish to adapt it?
Yes, we intend to use it to guide us in our response. And for this case scenario, we intended for both of the respondents.
Proceed.
Your Honor, upon receipt of the said summons with attached therein the allegations, copies of the allegations therein as filed by their first and the third applicant through their counsel, we were able to peruse the so alleged report supporting the allegations therein.
The report supporting the allegations. Yes.
And this is our response.
Yes.
Your Honor, we are guided.
Yes.
We are guided by our mandate to investigate
Yes.
and prosecution to prosecute, that is, give advice and directions in active investigations. And thereof, we stick categorically to the allegation, into response to the allegations therein, dated 30th of September this year. We have tried to demonstrate to this honorable court that the allegations
yes,
are cited in the said report that we have highlighted as B6 and B7 respectively.
B6
and B7 respectively.
B7 respectively. Yes.
That the allegations are indeed false.
Indeed false.
Since at no material time.
At no material time. Yes.
Did the respondents cause installation?
Did the respondents cause installations?
Use or facilitated the so-said spyware or malware.
It's called what? Source?
The so-called spyware, to which
so-called
Flexi Spy.
Yes.
Or any unauthorized surveillance software on the said electronic gadgets. We further
electronic gadgets. Yes.
Ask the respondents. We further inform this honorable court.
This honorable court. Yes.
That indeed, when we sought forensic, where we conducted forensic examination on the applicant's gadgets, the four applicants' gadgets,
forensic on the 4 applicants gadgets. Yes,
we were guided by a search warrant to authorize examination.
Search warrant. Yes.
That is miscellaneous application E1606 of 2025.
Miscellaneous
E1606 of 2025.
1606 of 2025.
And further to that,
it's further.
the applicant's gadgets
yes,
had been subjected to forensics analysis.
Then it's
Just
had been subjected to forensic analysis.
Exhibit memos.
Exhibits memo, yes.
We have highlighted in our affidavit as B4 and B5 respectively.
Highlighted as B5,
B4 and B5 respectively.
B4 and B5 respectively.
Your Honor,
yes.
Further to our response,
yes,
and in relation to subjecting to analysis,
yes, and
at no point
in relation to analysis
or during the conducting of the forensic,
at no point or during
the forensic examination,
the forensic examination
were the applicant electronic gadgets
were the applicant's electronic gadgets, yes,
loud and clear, altered, interfered with, beyond any lawful forensic examination procedure,
any lawful examination procedure,
and the said examinations
yes,
were conducted transparently, as I've earlier on illustrated vis-a-vis the miscellaneous and exhibit memo instructions.
Miscellaneous. Yes.
In view of all that, Your Honor,
yes,
the applicant's alleged reports claims are unsubstantiated,
yes,
not supported by any verifiable forensic evidence,
not supported by any verifiable
forensic evidence,
yes,
that we would say would link the alleged spyware
that will link the alleged
spyware to it flexi spy,
spyware
to it flexi spy,
yes,
to the respondent herein
Yes.
or their professional fraternity, as we can say so. Independent fraternity.
Independent fraternity.
Your Honor.
Fraternity.
Your Honor.
Yes.
The applicant's alleged report.
Applicant's alleged report, yes.
Which they purport to have forensically examined their electronic gadgets.
They report to have forensically examined. Yes.
If you clearly resemble the purported report.
Just a minute. Hello, proceed.
Your Honor.
Yes.
The applicant's alleged reports purportedly to have forensically examined the electronic gadgets.
Yes.
If you look at the purported reports.
Gadget. If you look, yes.
At the purported report, that is, we have highlighted as B6 and B7.
At the report. B6 and B7, eh?
Yes.
And B7, yes.
Have not clearly disclosed the full identities of the examined or their analyzed gadgets.
Disclose the full identity of
their so-said analyzed gadgets.
Their sources.
Their so-said analyzed gadgets.
Their so-said analyzed.
Hence,
gadgets. Hence,
we cannot say what was clear, whether there is a clear demonstration of what was actually examined.
There was clear indication on what was examined.
Mode of examination adopted.
Mode of examination adopted, yes.
And of vital essence, Your Honor.
And of vital essence.
The forensics tools.
Forensic tools.
That maybe they could have employed in their so-said examination.
They may have did in their examination. Yes.
And not to forget, Your Honor.
Not to forget, yes.
The author of the so-said report.
The author of the so-said report, yes.
Has not provided an electronic certificate to that effect.
Has not provided an electronic certificate to that report, yes.
In addition, Your Honor. In addition, Your Honor.
In addition, yes.
It has not identified for us.
It has not identified for us
the ultimate consumer of the SO data collected.
An ultimate consumer of the SO data collected.
I wish at this point, Your Honor, to reiterate and indicate to this honorable court
reiterate and indicate, yes,
that DCI,
yes,
is an independent institution.
Is an independent institution, yes.
And as we continue
as we continue
to adopt a proactive and a professional approach in investigation and securing our nation.
Adopt a proactive and
professional approach.
You said the other word you used
Proactive.
After proactive
and professional approach.
Yes, professional approach. Yes.
In investigations and securing our nation, our beloved country, Kenya.
Investigation and securing our beloved country, Kenya.
We remain to uphold justice.
Kenya. We remain to uphold justice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Justice, yes.
Integrity. And impartiality.
And
as we've clearly demonstrated.
As we have clearly demonstrated.
Through seeking warrants to investigate or subject to forensic analysis from honorable courts.
Warrants to investigate. Yes.
And bearing that in mind, Your Honor.
Bearing that in mind, yes.
I affirm my belief. As one of, or for both of the respondents therein.
Both respondents, yes.
As we've been guided by prosecution that we remain to conduct our mandate and prosecution their mandates.
To conduct our mandate, yes.
That, as I disclose to this court, that what made the gadgets to be subjected to analysis.
What made the gadgets
was investigation.
Gadgets to be subjected to forensics, yes.
Analysis. Was investigations. And which we have proceeded to forward the duplicate inquiry file to ODPP.
We have proceeded to forward the
duplicate inquiry file.
Duplicate inquiry file DPP. Yes.
For them to achieve their mandates, independent mandates.
Them to achieve their independent mandate.
Again, bearing that in mind, Your Honor.
Again, bearing that in mind, yes.
The said investigation was conducted according to the law and procedure.
The said investigation was conducted according to law. Yes.
While preserving integrity of the exhibits in question at all times.
Preserving the integrity
of the exhibits in question at all times.
Of the exhibits in question at all times.
And I have demonstrated through my affidavit to this honorable court.
Demonstrated, yes.
Vis-a-vis
through my affidavit, yes.
To this honorable court through my bundle of documents as highlighted B3 and B8 respectively.
B3 and B8, yes.
Which
respectively, yes.
Which can at least show some level of chain of custody and integrity of handling the said exhibits while undergoing examinations. and during
just it shows chain of custody
and a clear indication of preservation of integrity of the exhibits.
Preservation of integrity of the investigations
and the exhibits.
Yes.
During forensic examination.
During forensic examination.
And after forensic examination.
After forensic examination.
And as further guided. By the directives of this honorable court.
Yes.
On the 30th day of June or July? June 2025.
June 2025, yes.
To release the said gadgets to their rightful owner, bearing in mind the 4 applicants therein. I pray that this honorable court.
Yes. I pray that this honorable court, yes,
continues to issue lawful directions to
issue lawful
to the matter being deliberated upon.
Directions to the matter being deliberated upon, yes.
That the allegations by the applicants herein.
Allegations to the applicant.
By the applicant herein.
Applicants herein. Yes.
Through, of course, their counsel.
Through counsel, yes.
Is contrary to us, the respondents' mandate.
To us, the respondents'
mandate,
yes.
Comma, ability, capacity, skill set, or any empowering law in relation to a mandate.
In relation to our mandates, yes.
And hence the alleged possession of.
Hence the alleged possession
of, comma,
yes.
Or to install the said spyware to which Flexi Spy
spyware, yes,
culminates
yes,
to an act of tarnishing the professionalism,
yes,
image integrity of an esteemed independent institution with the sole mandate of investigating, among others, and thus,
yes,
among other duties, that is,
yes, among other duties already,
yes,
yes,
thus, Your Honor,
yes,
we as the respondents and as DCI maintains,
the respondents and DCI maintains, yes,
that the sole allegations brought forward before this court by the applicants through their counsel
allegations by the applicants through their counsel, yes,
are false to the best of our knowledge.
are false to the best.
Indeed, Your Honor,
Knowledge. Indeed, yes.
we are of the belief
We have of the belief, yes,
that the applicants hearing, Your Honor,
the applicant
as guided by their counsel,
guided by their counsels, yes,
have from matched these allegations before you, Your Honor,
right, the allegations, yes,
which appears to us as a strategy,
as a strategy, not just a myth, which appears,
to us as a strategy,
yes, to us as a strategy
for them to discredit,
for them
to discredit
to discredit, yes,
a reputation of an independent institution, as I've said,
reputation
conducting investigations,
of an independent institution.
and I further pray to this court
I further pray to this court, yes,
not to be dissuaded or rather divert the attention from,
be dissuaded
or rather divert its attention
further divert its
as we await further directions from ODPP
as we await further directions
bearing in mind
from ODPP, bearing in mind, yes,
the substantive evidence already collected,
in mind the substantive evidence already collected.
yes, Your Honor,
Evidence examined already collected.
and if such diversion is done,
If such diversion is done, yes,
could probably insinuate
we probably insinuate, yes,
interference with respondent mandate to investigate,
interference with
respondent's mandate to investigate,
mandate to investigate,
and most likely ODPP's mandate to prosecute.
most likely ODPP's mandate to prosecute, eh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, prosecute.
Further to that, Your Honor,
Yes, further. Yes,
I believe, or the respondents believe,
I believe, or we believe, the respondents, yes,
that the applicants, through indeed their counsel,
that the applicants
are making trials,
their counsel
are making trials through this application, Your Honor.
are making what?
Trials.
Are making trials through these applications, yes,
To subvert the criminal justice system,
subvert the criminal justice system
as the issues they are trying to bring forward
the issue they are trying
rather the allegations they are trying to bring forward,
yes,
if they exist,
yes,
they are probably I stand guided,
probably, yes,
I'm of the belief, we are the respondents are of the belief,
of the view, yes,
are within the province
the province, yes,
and competence of the Honorable Court
competence of the Honorable Court, yes,
to hear and determine,
yes,
once directions are issued by ODPP,
once directions are issued by the ODPP, yes,
and charges identified and preferred to
court, yes,
to the suspect therein who will be found culpable,
to the suspect who will be found culpable, yes,
culpable, as prosecution continues, Your Honor.
As prosecution continues.
As I come to the end of my averment, Your Honor,
yes,
I believe the said report
yes,
is a pure mockery
is a pure mockery
to what we believe is forensics,
to what we believe is forensic, yes,
and I pray to this boldly to this Honorable Court
boldly to the court, yes,
that the so said application
yes,
be dismissed without merit,
yes,
and the applicants so guided by this Honorable Court.
and the applicants be guided.
Finally, Your Honor, indeed, we as the respondents,
finally, we as the respondents,
we're indeed grateful to this Honorable Court
grateful Honorable Court, yes,
for the courteous chance
for the courteous chance, yes,
to be able to present our response in regard to the allegations brought forward, Your Honor.
to present our response.
Thank you for your time, Your Honor.